How the fuck did we get here?
Dude, there's a fucking sexy Asian guy taking me hostage.
That just happened to me.
Like Mr. Fresh Asian taking me to his fucking corner.
Well, do you have your mic on?
Shit, right? How do I turn? No, 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 Gabe! No!
What's up?
We gotta fucking blow him up. There's no way you just fucking hit me. No way. Come do that shit again and I'm gonna kill you. Kill you like fucking now.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, that is
You
so...
wanna be the hero that everybody loves, huh? You wanna be the hero, but you don't wanna do hero things.
We're... I don't even know where we are. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Shit. Let's just run through it the whole, because it won't take long since we can just fucking run through it. Yeah, okay, I need to actually eat food real quick.
Go, Pippi!
I'm eating.
Stop. Roger, Roger. Oh my god, I can't put it away.
Okay, dude.
I can't. My thing is stuck.
It sounded like he just died in a horror movie. It's like he got cut off.
Okay, we gotta go this way. Get back in.
What if I don't want to? What if I'm tired of you being the leader?
Yo,
Oh!
I'm fucking dead. Hello? Who fucking did that shit?
Wasn't me.
What did you fucking shoot me with? It was like a fucking bomb.
I shot you with a rocket launcher.
What, did you have a flare gun or something? What was that? Seriously.
It was a grenade.
It was a grenade.
Yo, these guys look tough, bro. These guys look tough.
Roger.
Ah! Help me! I'm full dead. Filled in.
Yo, stop throwing the logs. Stop, man. Let's see. Let's get up. Yo, oh my god. Holy shit.
What do you mean, what did we do?
What y'all did was one of y'all like y'all like fucking hit something over here and then it removed the
I just threw 2 logs inside the house at Lance and then Gabe dropped a whole tree on top of the house.
Hey. Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel.
because the first one was the is the cave with the shovel in it. Did you get it? Oh my fucking god. Holy shit.
Oh!
Oh! Oh shit. That was fucking
You guys didn't kill him. Okay, that definitely
Fucking
did.
dead now.
Oh, big guy in there. If I
Hold on, chill. Hold on, chill.
Dude!
Here.
It still says waiting for host to start the game.
I'm working. Yo, game.
You're gonna make me go all the way to the base by myself.
Are we restarting again?
Oh shit! Look, it's green outside.
We're gonna Lance wants to fully restart the world, so I think we're gonna do that.
Yo, shut up.
What?
No, I fucking. Yo.
Oh.
God. Yo, get in, man.
This is a robbery.
Yo.
Let the missus go to your phone.
We're gonna need a fucking shitload of logs for this. Do we even want to do this?
Dude, there's no way. Wait, Gabe, look at me. Gabe, look at me.
Do you have any meds? Dude, you're like an ADHD baby. Stop, man! Yo, what are you fucking doing?
It's like on the
Mustard. I just fucking went all the way down the hill.
Are you serious?
Mustard.
Don't diss it. If it works, it works.
Don't diss it.
Dude! It just jumped on me in the water.
Nate, are you in the house, dude? The whole house is blown up! Who just did that?
Are you serious?
I'm dead! Dude!
Yo, I swear to God.